Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video about Clipboard History, which I think is an awesome feature of Windows, and it's just really underutilized. Sometimes I tell people about it and they're like, what the hell are you talking about? So let me just quickly show you this Windows tip, I guess. So to turn on Windows, the Clipboard History, you just press Windows key V. If it's not already on, then you'll get this little dialog box which lets you turn it on, and there's some other stuff in this dialog box where you can grab like emoticons or special characters and such, and you can just paste straight out of there into Word or whatever program you're entering data into. If we go to the Clipboard History and enable that feature, what I can do is if I'm browsing websites or getting data from anywhere else that's kind of can't be copied and pasted in a block, is I could, so let's say go Control C that, and I'll copy that, and I'll copy that, Control C that. So I'm getting a bunch of stuff in my history now. And then when I'm trying to paste data in somewhere else, if I press Windows V instead of Control V, I can choose from all the data that I've previously copied. And if I copy them in the wrong order or whatever, then I can just sort of scroll through it. So that's what it is. I just wanted to show you that. I think it's a really, really helpful feature. And I really think it's underutilized. Enjoy.